This will be a repair video showing how to use an electric battery operated soldering iron, a burn-in stick, one of our flat burn-in sticks, and a nib file to complete a repair. We make sure that the repair is free of any splinters sticking up. We're going to melt the material into the defect. Nice thing about this little electric unit is that it heats up in about 30 seconds and does not have any flame or anything exposed, so we can use it in areas where using a butane torch wouldn't be practical. I'll melt that into the defect. I'm going to take and wipe the tip off to make sure we keep it clean, and we'll set the tool aside. Allow this to cool for just a few seconds. And again, it's already cool. I'm going to take my nib file, and the direction of the arrow is the cutting direction, and I'll just slide it across the surface, and it will actually trim that material down. And now we have a nice level repair. I'm going to take and use my fingernail just to kind of clean out the grooves of the file. And we'll go back over that again just to be sure that we have it nice and level. The nib file is convex, so it doesn't leave any scratch marks on the surface. So now we have a nice repair with no scratching to the surface, and it's nice and level. The benefit of using this over traditional burn-in is we don't have to use any burn-in lube. We don't have to have the danger of burning the surface with the hot tool. So this is a very quick and easy way to utilize the flat burn-in sticks, which give us a superior repair over, let's say, a fill stick, which is a much softer material. So now we have a nice solid repair. We can come back and add a few grain lines if needed with our brush tip graining pen, and the repair would be complete.